Whether you're new to woodworking or an experienced carpenter, a jointer planer combo is an excellent choice for those of us with limited space in our workshop. It can cut down on some precision, but will save you time, space, and money. There are many products available to choose the best jointer planer combo machines for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best jointer planer combo machines for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Grizzly G0634X12 5 HP planer jointer with V-Helical Cutterhead. The G0634X12 planer jointer combo combines a powerful 5 HP motor with a V-Helical Cutterhead for impressive industrial-level performance. With plenty of power and a beautiful finish, this is an excellent choice for almost any workshop. In addition, the unit can almost sit against a wall and still be used, giving you more options for where to put it. The carbide inserts can be rotated up to 3 times on the cutter head, giving you many options for sharp blades without needing to sharpen them yourself. Out of the box, there is little need for adjustments as it comes pretty well calibrated. The quick release fence can be positioned at any angle between 45 and 90 degrees. Nothing protrudes off the back of the machine as the fence is end mounted. It also locks and slides easily. The machine itself runs whisper quiet, which is extraordinary considering its power. It is heavy enough to give little to no vibration, and it leaves a low amount of tear out. Finally, Grizzly offers excellent customer support and can help with the setup if anything goes wrong. For a machine of this quality, the price is more than fair. It can handle an extensive range of woods up to 12 in width with no difficulties. Number 2. Jet JJP12HH12 planer jointer with helical head, 708,476. The Jet JJP12HH is a step up from the JJP12, one of the most cost-effective spiral cutter head machines currently available. However, as an entry-level piece of equipment, it provides exceptional performance. The European-style blade guard can be lowered and raised using a knob, making it fairly easy to use. While both the in-feed and out-feed are metal, the out-feed has a rubber cover that may deteriorate over time, but is very helpful for precision cuts. It has a very low amount of snipe. Like the JJP12, it is a heavyweight unit with cast iron tables. This makes it solid, stationary, and low vibration. It's also very easy to convert from jointer to planer and back, as you don't need to reposition the jointer fence when switching between the two. Number 3. Best Spiral Cutterhead Jointer Planer Combo Wen JT630H6 Spiral Jointer Planer. If you prefer a spiral cutter head, then this model by Wen is certainly one I would check out. This model comes with 12 staggered HSS blades, and with 10 amp of power behind it, it does mean this small machine doesn't mess around. With this level of power, it does mean the machine can cut through all types of wood, and it does so with relative ease. Regarding the cutting of the boards, it can remove up to with each pass, and that's perfectly adequate. I also feel that at 6, while most will see this as being too small, it does mean it's ideal for small projects, and I would also suggest it for people new to using this type of machine. Overall, this jointer planer combo machine can be set up in minutes, and it can then produce extraordinary results in a short period of time. I find it easy to use, and I am consistently impressed by its results. Number 4. Best Jointer Planer for Versatility Porter Cable 6 Jointer Planer Combo C160 JTR. Porter Cable is a name I love when I'm searching for a well-made tool that doesn't exactly come with a hefty price tag, and this jointer planer combo machine is a prime example. Complete with 10 amp of power, I like how this model makes it easy to vary the speed from between 6,000 and 11,000 RPM. That does mean it offers a cutting limit of anywhere from 12,000 to 22,000 cuts per minute. I also appreciate that this machine comes with a reasonable size table, so you feel as if the boards can sit comfortably as you work on them. Once again, that provides a steady feel to it all, and I see that as crucial for producing the results you want. Overall, this inexpensive jointer planer combo machine provides everything you need, from boards to an easily adjustable fence for angles and even a dust port to keep everything clean. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.